Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個
Leo。Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。我係都市友誒。Okay, that means I'm hungry right now. And that's why for this edition, let's teach you to cook up another great Hakka dish.
好。這道菜呢，其實是我非常非常喜歡的。
Oh yeah?
叫做泡菜雲竹筍。
泡菜雲竹筍。泡菜我聽過嘛，就福菜嘛。
是的。
Okay, 泡菜 is actually a very standard item in many different Hakka dishes. It's actually the mustard leaf. Okay, 就是所謂的芥菜嘛。
對，芥菜就是芥菜。
但後面你說什麼？
穩竹筍。
哦，是筍啊，對不對？
對，筍。
Okay, it's a type of bamboo shoot, I can tell. 那穩是什麼呢？
穩就是我客家的四文四草裡頭的燜煮。
Okay. There's actually a term for Hakka dishes. It's the 4 stews and 4 stir fries. Okay, 也就是所謂的四文四草。所以這是文的一種。
是其中的一種。
It's a stew. Okay, so it has to do with bamboo shoots and also mustard leaf. 所以這要怎麼全部都在一起燜，然後就好了嗎？
其實它做法很簡單，就是這些材料嘛，我們要先把它汆燙過之後呢，然後把那個油鍋弄熱，然後薑片去爆香，爆香之後呢，把竹筍啊、泡菜啊丟下去煮，然後燜大概半小時。重點呢，還要加那個空用米。
哎，我就知道會加一個秘密武器在裡面，會讓你垂涎3尺的這種控肉滷汁，是不是？
是的。
Oh my goodness, this is starting to sound so delicious because not only you have the bamboo shoots and also the mustard leaf green, but you also have a little bit of marinated pork sauce. 这一道就是真的是厉害了，对不对？
对啊。
OK， 那我们现在就要来教一下这道菜几个主要的成分里面的客语怎么说好了。好不好？就第一个当然就是福菜，
泡菜。
那你刚刚说要丢一点姜片 ，some ginger slices，
姜麻。
And then you have, of course, the 竹筍, which is the bamboo shoot.
竹筍.
And then finally, we talked about it at the end, and that is a bit of marinated pork sauce. Okay, 就是控肉的卤汁。
空牛米，
空牛就是控肉，米就是那个卤，
就是那个卤汁。
Okay, I love me. And 这道菜就叫做什么？
泡菜雲竹筍。
泡菜雲竹筍。All right, remember that. And to break it down, 泡菜 is the mustard leaf, 雲 is to stew it with bamboo shoots, 竹筍。Very delicious. 很讨厌，我现在真的饿了3倍了，怎么办？赶快去煮这道菜来吃了。对 ，And that does it for today's talk about and eat about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.